Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Nutribullet Pro 900 blender. This sleek powerhouse promises to handle everything from smoothies to sauces with ease. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design. The Nutribullet Pro 900 boasts a stylish champagne finish, making it a standout on any kitchen counter. It's compact, standing at 14 inches tall, which is perfect for smaller spaces or if you prefer a clutter-free countertop. The build quality is solid, and the cups are dishwasher safe, which adds convenience to its user-friendly design. Now, onto the performance. Equipped with a robust 900-watt motor and a high-speed 24,000 RPM extractor blade, this blender means business. It excels at pulverizing tough ingredients like ice, nuts, and seeds, giving you consistently smooth results. I tested it with a berry and avocado smoothie and was impressed by how quickly it achieved a silky texture. Though I did need to shake the cup a bit to ensure thorough blending. The one-speed operation is straightforward, just twist the cup to blend, no pulse settings here. Which might be a drawback if you prefer more control over texture. For thicker mixes like dips, it handled roasted walnut and red pepper dip admirably, though again, a shake mid-blend helped with consistency. Let's break it down further with pros and cons. On the plus side, it's incredibly simple to use, delivers very smooth results, and is ideal for smaller kitchens. It also crushes ice and tough ingredients without breaking a sweat. However, it's limited to one speed, lacks an automatic pulse setting, and isn't suited for large batches due to its smaller capacity. So, should you buy the Nutribullet Pro 900? If you're in a small household or need something compact, yet powerful for daily smoothies and quick meal preparations, this blender is a great fit. It's efficient, easy to clean, and aesthetically pleasing. That wraps up our review of the Nutribullet Pro 900 blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews like this one. Drop your comments below on what you think about this blender or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.